Hi. Most of the tour guides all over the world start with the same story. They would say, "Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm Swiss. I was born in Zurich and I like football and tennis and I eat a lot of chocolate," which is great. I believe it's very important to tell the people who you are. There is no doubt about that. However, let me present three new ways to maybe improve that a little bit. First of all, I don't tell my story at the beginning of the tour. At the beginning, I just mention my name and that's it, to be polite, but I wouldn't mention my whole story at the beginning. A good friend of mine who is a magician explained to me why. He said, first of all, you need to perform. First, you need to prove to the audience that you're worth listening, and then you can speak about yourself. Then people are typically also interested in learning about you. So a magician would start with a great trick, or a singer would start with a great song, and then he would speak to the people. So I try to do the same. I would typically present myself or properly present myself after about 20-25 minutes. That's one thing. I wouldn't do it at the beginning. Second thing, please share some interesting facts. People always ask themselves, so what? What isn't it for me, what you're just saying? So I wouldn't just say, well, I'm Swiss and I like football. For example, I would compare myself to the average Swiss person, saying the average Swiss person eats 15 kilograms of chocolate a year, I eat every day, so on and so on. So even if people are not interested in you, at least they will learn about the average Swiss person, which is always interesting, and it personalizes a little bit this average Swiss person. So it gives a kind of a personal touch and some facts and figures they wouldn't know about. So just bring up something a bit more interesting, something new. And the third thing I also believe is give them added value. There should be an added value of knowing you as a tour guide. So my trick, for example, I hand out my card. So everybody who comes to my tour will receive a card with my name and a number, so they can contact me after the tour, and typically some people do it also. So I believe there is an advantage of knowing me because they know they can always contact me should they have any more questions. So give them added value. What's your opinion on that? I honestly believe that this is one of the most difficult things as a tour guide to properly present yourself, but I'm very curious to listen and to read what you think about that.